Hi guys, this is me. I went to shop for liquid soap ingredients. As I was sitting here, boy, inside the market, I was like trying to observe what was going on. If now waiting serious, make I carry my slippers, make I run, they go my house. So I don't know why they disappear shout inside market. So I buy ingredients too for my friend. So I could go send her on tomorrow. She said if I make liquid soap. So I can say okay, no while as I did there now, tell her the price. She can't send her money. I come. She's here to do soap for me. She actually wants to teach me how to make soap. So let's open the gates and see her. Wow, good morning.
So I finally came to make liquid soap for my sister.
Good morning.
If you like this jumpsuit, all that they sell out.
So guys, the first chemical I'll be dissolving in the water is XLS. It looks like rice. So you need to dissolve it and let it sit for a while so that they can dissolve completely. That's the only one you need to keep aside for it to dissolve completely. The rest of the chemicals are easy going chemicals. Those ones, as far as you can mix it very well inside different bowl and turn it together, you're not going to have issue. So you have to let it sit. So I just have to keep put it aside and move on to the other chemicals, which I drop the videos of the chemicals, what they look like, and I will be putting their name on the screen. But you have to make sure you watch the video to the end because it's at the end of the video. I trust you guys. You people don't want to watch. You like shortcut. Once I drop it at the beginning of this video now watch and reach have screenshots now. I'll go do now. Not go watch my video finish. So now I put her inside. So now the second chemical be this. So I don't put inside my 25 liters. Just in a small water, I don't first put. Do I not get accurate measurement? I just use my brain to measure because I not be expert for this thing. So I should just put you guys through. But if you do it the way I'm telling you now, if you mix the chemicals separately, you are not going to have issues. You are going to arrive at the same junction as every other person. Okay? Thank you. So guys, we are still in the process of mixing the chemicals. So I'm using scissors to cut the chemical. Please don't try to use your nails, your fingernails to cut the nylon of this chemical. Make sure you use scissors to cut it. Use scissors. I repeat, use scissors. And if you have a very sensitive skin, please wear gloves. If care is not taken, you can use nose masks if you are reacting to such chemicals. Please, for safety purpose, wear gloves and nose masks. For safety purpose, and look for a longer stick. This one I'm using is a moppy stick. I have to lose it from my mop. It's a moppy stick, so I don't want my hand to touch any of the chemical yet. Not on.
You see, are you seeing it?
The banana flavor.
The flavor is so demure. Our soap is ready. Can you see this, guys?
So that is how you are going to do it. Mix everything separately. Mix them.
You guys see soap now. See. Hey, what mommy Gabriel cannot do.
Does not exist. Don't try to wear soap like this. So.
No, put her for his hand. So you for one. For people remove that this itself. That phone they go waste.
The phone the way you give me.
Now move for them.
Move on the
So you guys see now, see soap.
This one, what did they call this chemical?
Soda ash.
This soda ash. This is SLS. This is Texapon. This one Nitrosol. This one
S.T.P.P.
Okay, this one
Caustic soda.
okay. Now I don't see them. So she's going to number it for me. So when I get to, because I will not remember all the name, I'll mix them one after the other, dissolve them inside water, one after the other, different buckets. You go mix and wait. Yeah, they do the video as they go. This is Sulphonic